Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. Today I'm aboard our 13 Super Sport by Boston Whaler. This is going to be a wonderful alternative to jet skis and just have a small runabout boat for you and a couple people. This is great for kids. For safety reasons, it is an unsinkable boat. You can saw this boat in half because of the foam in the gunnels. It will still float. So you can get water in it, take it out on a nice choppy day, and you will be fine in this boat. You do have some storage up front for an anchor or some nice little storage. Here in the helm, you'll have a nice little storage area with a nice rubber seal. You'll have bow rails and internal low profile rails. That way you can have something to hold on to. Here at the helm, you have the wheel, but everyone else will have a nice grab handle. Easy access to your battery and fuel tank right underneath the seat of the helm. You turn around, we will have the bimini top on this boat. Right now it's booted up in the back. If you want to use this as a fishing boat, you can take the whole bimini off just by twisting this and pulling this out. So you can really convert this boat to however you want to use it. Back here on the back, we do have the 40 horsepower Mercury outboard. This boat is great for Lake Lanier, great for a little fishing boat, and it does come with a trailer. Please give us a call today if you want to hear more about this.